Let me introduce you to the cinnamon chia seed drink, a powerful blend with some surprising benefits. Here are 5 lesser-known reasons why this drink should be part of your daily routine. Number 1. Enhanced digestive health. Chia seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements and boosts overall digestive health. When soaked, chia seeds create a gel-like substance, acting as a prebiotic that aids digestion. Plus, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the digestive tract. So, if you struggle with bloating, this drink is a natural remedy to try. Number 2. Blood sugar regulation. Both chia seeds and cinnamon help stabilize blood sugar levels. Chia seeds slow down carb digestion, preventing sugar spikes, while cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity. Together, they form a perfect remedy for managing blood sugar and supporting overall metabolic health. Number 3. Heart health support. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Regularly enjoying this drink can boost heart health, reduce cardiovascular risks, and enhance circulation. Number 4. Improved bone health. Chia seeds provide calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential for strong bones, while cinnamon has compounds that may enhance bone density. This combination is ideal for boosting bone health, especially for women and older adults. Number 5. Cognitive function improvement. Want to keep your mind sharp? Omega-3s in chia seeds support cognitive function and brain health, and cinnamon has been linked to better memory and mental clarity. So adding this drink to your routine can help nourish your brain and keep you focused. But remember, chia seeds are rich in fiber and can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. Eating too many without enough hydration can lead to bloating or gas. Balance is key. Here's how you can make the magical drink. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup water, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, sweetener of choice like honey or stevia. Instructions: mix chia seeds and cinnamon in a glass or bowl, add water and stir well. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until the chia seeds absorb the liquid and form a gel. Sweeten with honey and it's ready to enjoy. So give this drink a try and enjoy its surprising benefits. Your body and mind will thank you.